Hey everyone, welcome back to Techfinity, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we are checking out the CMF Phone Pro, the latest from the Weblinks budget-friendly sub-brand, and easily one of the most unique-looking phones right now. But is it just about the looks or does it actually perform well? Let's break it down.
Design and build.
It comes with a modular design, letting you swap out the back cover and even add accessories like a kickstand, wallet, lanyard, or even macro lens. There's also this rotating mechanical dial on the back. Yes, an actual dial on a smartphone which you can use to control volume, launch apps, or trigger the camera shutter. It's fresh, creative, and nothing else in this segment offers it. But don't let the bold design fool you. The build is plastic, and while it does have the IP54 splash resistance, there's no full waterproofing or dust resistance, so it's not the most durable if you rough with your phone.
Display.
Now let's talk about the display. You get a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with full HD plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness. Seriously? That's very bright for this price point. It looks great indoors and performs surprisingly well outdoors too. The bezels are slim, the colors are punchy, and the high refresh rate makes everything feel smooth. Whether you're scrolling through Instagram or switching apps, it makes it perfect.
Performance.
Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro, a 4nm chip designed for solid mid-range performance. Third, up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Day-to-day tasks feel smooth, so no lag while browsing or multitasking. Games like BGMI and Call of Duty run well on medium to high settings. It does warm up a bit during Zoom gaming sessions, but it's nothing too serious. For students, casual gamers, or everyday users, it delivers a great experience.
Camera.
Now onto the cameras. The CMF Phone Pro features a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 60-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. The main camera takes sharp and well-detailed shots in daylight, with decent color accuracy and dynamic range. In low light, the photos are okay, especially with night mode. But keep in mind, there's no optical image stabilization, only electronic, so videos and night shots might show some shake. It does support 4K at 30 FPS, but the stabilization is just average. And while there's no dedicated macro sensor, you can use an optional attachable lens for close-ups.
Battery and charging.
On the battery front, the 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. It supports 33 watts fast charging, picking up to 70 to 80 minutes for a full top-up. There's no wireless charging, but overall, battery life is solid and dependable.
Software experience.
Now, here's something I really liked: the software. It turns on Nothing OS 3.2 based on Android 15. And the experience is super clean. No ads, low bloatware, and smooth animations. It feels close to stock Android, but with nothing stylish design and unique widgets. CMF also promises 3 years of major Android updates and 6 years of security patches, which is outstanding for this price.
Summary.
A stylish, customizable design with modular accessories. A bright and smooth AMOLED display. Decent mid-range performance for daily use and light gaming, a clean Android experience with long-term support, and the long-lasting battery.
The downside.
But it's not perfect. Plastic build, not the most premium. No full waterproofing, only IP54 splash resistance. No OIS, so the video stabilization is average. And while the rotating dial is cool, some users might find it more gimmicky than useful.
So, should you buy it?
If you're looking for something different, stylish, and functional, at a budget of $279 with a clean software experience and enough power for most tasks, the CMF Phone Pro is absolutely worth considering. It's smart for power users or mobile photographers. But if you want everyday reliability wrapped in bold design, this is one of the most refreshing budget phones of the year. That's it. This is the honest review of the CMF Phone 2 Pro. Let us know in the comments, is this your next phone or are you waiting for something else? Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to TechFinipi for more real reviews without the hype. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering.